When you think of startup, I am reminded of a couplet by Iqbal who said, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानबे मंजिल, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानबे मंजिल, लोग जुड़ते गए कारवां बनता गया. The inception, the birth of startup is when you think something, that thought process, that knowledge ultimately culminates into setting up a great venture of yours. So first important thing, what is your thought process? What is where you want to get involved and perform? And more importantly, when you start your performance, you have to understand that it is not merely your passion which is important. It is ultimately the market sellability which is important. You need to know the policies. You need to know the various economic conditions before you enter into a startup. I'll give an example. You would have heard of Coinex, a startup which unfortunately failed. There is one more startup, CoinMe. The third is CryptoCard. Why did these startups fail? Because they were not clear of the government policy of cryptocurrency. They started trading in cryptocurrency. They wanted to bring people closer to dealing in cryptocurrency. You know, cryptocurrency is something which the Indian government does not appreciate. So when you go and venture into an area which is under any circumstances not liked by a particular sector of the government, which is not encouraged or appreciated, failure is imminent. I'll give you some more reasons how some startups and why they failed. You would have heard of a startup called Doodhwala. Doodhwala had $4 million investments through venture capitalists and through other investors. Now, why did Doodhwala fail? Doodhwala had a very unique system of giving milk before 7 o'clock in the morning. And 60% of its clientele was based in Bangalore because number of people there are working people. Now it lost because of three reasons. Number one, as the delivery of the goods was to be made before 7 a.m. Therefore, it was dependent on delivery boys who could deliver the goods before 7 a.m. and they were demanding high salaries and therefore profitability was an issue. Second thing, they never had an idea that in case there is an issue with the milk, there is an issue that milk has gone stale or it is not in the right fresh state, what would they do? And third thing, very important, which normally all startups will have, is cash crunch. Earlier, you will find investors who would involve and try to help you out, try to bail you out. But after some time, you exhaust. You don't have the funding propositions to keep you moving in the market. The best of the startups have lost. I know one startup which was based out of Dubai. It was a mini Amazon. It went to 80 countries, had a huge roaring business. But when Amazon eyed, it came to all those countries and started selling goods on a cheaper perspective. Please understand, this cheaper goods ensured that the startup could not work and it failed miserably. It is a business proposition. Startup, you have a very good idea, and that idea may not fortify now. It may not give fruits now, but ultimately it may come up with great insights. Something which I may fail, but Guransh may be able to pursue that and take it to unprecedented heights. You have to understand one very basic concept of business. It is that people who have clout, people who are strong, people who are cash rich, have all the perspective of changing the market. I'm reminded of a couplet which I would share with you. The couplet says, अपनी मर्जी से कहा, अपनी मर्जी से कहा, अपने सफर के हैं हम, रुख हवाओं का जिधर का उधर के हैं हम. Weak man is always swayed by the big storms that come in the way. As an entrepreneur, as a person who intends to have a startup, the biggest impetus of yours is to have a better cash flow and not do excessive spending at the first instance. Second startup that failed is Green Dust. You are aware, Green Dust came into selling used products, used pads, used mobiles, used laptops. It had the funding of more than $50 million. See how large funding it had. But why did it fail? It failed because at a later stage, it was short of funds. Funds was a big problem with Green Dust, and it wanted more funds and could never go ahead with those funds. The second is, once I come out with an idea and that startup comes out, then everybody has a right to join as a competitor. Now, Vaishali may have a very good idea, and I may be a good entrepreneur, and Guransh may know branding better. So, what is the mind child of Vaishali would be used by me and ultimately capitalized by Guransh. It exactly happened in Green Dust. There was a lot of competitive involvement, and that threw Green Dust out. And unfortunately, I'm sorry, I have a bad throat. Unfortunately, Green Dust could not do proper branding to live in the market. So you have to understand, cash is one issue, competitive involvement is second issue. You have to stay ahead than your competitors. Third is you have to have branding. Fourth is that you know to know the legal laws which are prevalent in the country. Five, when you go for a startup, you should know which restrictions have to be done in income tax, in GST. All these things will ultimately ensure that there is a smooth movement of yours.